Now you're in the vehicle and you need to know about your controls. So I'm just going to go through them one at a time and in order. Now at the end of this, I'll have you start the vehicle and then we'll get going. Now, number one is your ignition switch. Yes. So when it's time to start the car, you start by turning clockwise. When it starts, you let go. Then secondly, you place your right foot on the brake. The brake. Good. Then number three is your parking brake, which you would release by raising up. Yeah, raise it up. Press it in, then it goes down. Then number four, you would put the gear selector to drive, but the car is off, so you won't be doing that. So we'll just put this back. But for number four, you'd go to the right, come straight down. That's drive. So number four, then you go to number five, which would be your signal. Then you check your rear view mirror, number six. And then number seven would be your left outside mirror if you're going to the left. If you're going to the right, then it's your right outside mirror. That's number seven. Now if you're leaving to the right, then you have to check your right blind spot, which is number 8, which is over your shoulder. If you're moving to the left or leaving from the left, then you go all the way over here to your left blind spot, number 8. And that's basically it.